Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete the Pillar of Community task by subscribing to an item in the Steam Workshop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a tab labeled Library. Click on it to access your game collection. This is where all your purchased and installed games are organized, and it's also your gateway to accessing the Steam Workshop for any game that supports it. Now, in the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Browse through and click on the game you want to subscribe to Workshop items for. Different games have different Workshop communities, so choose one that interests you or one where you'd like to explore custom content created by other players. This could be anything from custom maps and mods to skins and game modes. After selecting your game, look for and click on the Workshop option. This will take you directly to the Steam Workshop page for that specific game, where you'll find thousands of user-generated items available for download and subscription. The Workshop is an incredible resource for expanding your gaming experience with community-created content. Once you're in the Workshop, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll notice a variety of filters available to help you narrow down your search. These filters let you sort items by categories like most popular, most recent, or specific types of content depending on the game. Click on your preferred variety to refine your search and make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Now browse through the results and click on your preferred Workshop mod or item. This will open up the items page where you can read descriptions, view screenshots, and see ratings from other users. To subscribe to it, simply click the subscribe button on the items page. This adds the item to your game and allows you to use it when you play. Now let's check if that task is completed. In the upper right corner of the Steam interface, click on your username. From the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your Steam profile page where all your achievements, badges, and community progress are displayed. On your profile page, look at the right panel and click on Badges. This section shows all the badges you're working on or have already earned, including the Pillar of Community badge. Navigate to the Pillar of Community badge, and right beside it, you'll see a number indicating how many tasks you've completed. This number is a blue hyperlink, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up a detailed breakdown of all the tasks associated with the Pillar of Community badge. Look for the task labeled Subscribe to an item in the Steam Workshop. If the task has turned blue, that means it's been completed successfully. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the Pillar of Community task by subscribing to a Steam Workshop item. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.